Hello guys, this is Raja here. In this video, I just want to discuss with you about M65 Roundabout in Blackburn with Darwen Test Center. A lot of learners, they feel a little bit intimidated by this roundabout. Remember, this is M65, this is a motorway roundabout. Now, a lot of people feel that lane issues there where people need to focus on, and also a lot of traffic which is coming off the motorway through the slip road, they're coming quite fast, and that's the fact. Now, if you do good observations, anticipations and planning skills, easily can done. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate you. So first we are taking the third exit going towards the lower Darwen. So as I'm approaching, you can see on a big signboard it has got the exit there. The first exit is for the Darwen and Blackburn. Second exit is the motorway Preston, which we don't go to, and the third exit going towards lower Darwen, which you can go, which I'm going to be taking it right now, and then the fourth exit going to the motorway, and the fifth exit going back into the services. So in this one I'm taking the third exit on this first video. As I'm approaching, you've seen the signboard. You can also see just before the roundabout there's a 40 sign there, means this roundabout is 40 miles per hour. Examiner would not expect you to do 40, but you'd expect other road users to come in quite fast. You can also see that the lane is splitting into two. So the left lane is only for the left turning first exit or going second exit towards the motorway, and the right lane, which I am going now, that is for going towards the lower Darwen or motorway or come back around. So as I approach, I have checked my center mirror, the right mirror, signal to the right, slow approach. Now please always remember, when you're approaching, start glancing your early. So start looking your right and ahead. Now both of the junctions coming off the motorway and from ahead is controlled by the traffic light. To plan early, if in doubt, stop, look, assess, decide, and then act quickly. So once it's safe to do so, you drive off. Now please remember, the first exit is very sharp left over there, which we need to count as well. So we're taking the third exit. As you're driving into the correct lane, you've gone all the way to the right side. The first exit and the second exit is the motorway M65 Preston. But what you need to be doing is very important. At that point, once you see the M65 Preston exit, once your car is here, straight away check your center mirror, the left mirror, signal to the left, and change over to the lower Darwen lane. You can see on the road it says lower Darwen, so please come over to the lower Darwen lane over there and then carry on driving. Now a lot of people, they get a little bit scared because of the traffic coming off the motorway on the slip road. Remember, that's a no entry. We don't count a slip road. Why? Because it's a one-way road and it's a no entry. But why people get a little bit scared? Because they're coming quite fast and people try to go over to the right. Don't be scared, guys. There is a giveaway line there for them to give us the way. So carry on going, but bear in mind, this roundabout is 40 miles per hour. There is a sign there. I showed you the sign before. There is a sign on the bend as well. You just need to do around 21, 20, 25, whatever you can do better, as long as you remain in control. You don't need to speed over there. If you can speed and you remain in control, it's fine as well. But it's a controlling and observation exam after. So you can see the lower Darwen sign over there. So as you exit the roundabout, when you're going through the bend, there is another 40 sign hidden under the tree there. That means this road is 40. So before you speed up, check your mirrors and then gradually and progressively builds up your speed as well. So I hope this will help you. Now on my next clip, I am coming from the Blackburn area and I will be taking the fourth exit. So as you're turning left at the traffic light, the examiner will say to you that the next roundabout, take the fourth exit to your right, going towards services. Sometimes they say to you, take me towards the test center. Sometimes they say to you, go towards services. They all have got the same meanings. What that means, as you turn left, you will be in the left lane. Once you have been given instructions, and not order, instructions, at that point, please check your center, the right mirror, signal to the right. Why are we doing this? So we can lane change. So please make sure that you start looking your right mirror, and when you know nobody's behind you, you change over lane. Because if you carry on driving on the left lane, so that left lane will only be able to take you left first exit going towards motorway M65 Preston, or the second exit going towards lower Darwen, which we not want to go. We're going towards the services 4th exit. So as you're approaching, again, you do your MSP, SL and LADA. You slow down, mirror, signal positioning, start looking early, so looking your right, and if nobody's coming, and this is where a lot of people get confused. So when you go, if nobody's coming from the right, so that means people will be coming from the services or from the motorway or from the 4th exit, so from the other side. So if nobody's coming, you go, you keep your car to the right side, but you can see on the road, first it shows you M65, we need to be on that lane. Then as you carry on driving, now then you will see it says services written on the road. It's slightly faded off, but it's still visible there, so you follow that. So first exit is the motorway, M65. The 2nd exit is the lower Darwen. At that point, guys, what's happening, as you're coming in, a lot of people that get confused because it's become 2 lanes. We need to make sure we keep our car to the left side. So you follow the left curb on the 2nd exit. You don't want to be going to the inner lane. That lane is taking you back towards the motorway or towards the Darwen. So you follow the sign services, stay in the left lane for the left curb. Once you come to the 3rd exit, which is M65 Blackburn, at that point you can see a 40 sign. Again, you don't need to do 40, but please make sure keep follow this. As you follow that one, you will see that it's taking you towards services. But once you pass the 3rd exit, then what you need to do, check your center mirror, the left mirror, and signal to the left, because you need to be taking the next exit. So then obviously there's a traffic light over there. Anticipate if the traffic light has been green for a while, be prepared to stop, or if it just turned green, carry on going. So again, you will see a sign there, services and the TVSA test center. So that's how you do your 4th exit. And on the last video, so I am taking the first exit to the left. So again, you can see a signboard there. It's telling you the Blackburn and Darwen is the first exit. So I'm keeping my car to the left. I did my mirrors, signal, positioning. You can see a 40 sign. Again, I'm approaching slowly because the traffic is coming from the slip road motorway and from ahead. Again, I'm approaching slowly. As I'm approaching, start looking early. If you got any doubt, stop and do your LADA. And if nobody's coming, you can turn, follow the left curb. You don't want to go too wide when you're turning left, so follow the left curb. Once you turn left, in this video, I'm going towards Blackburn, so I'm changing my lane. But examiner may ask you to go towards Darwen, so always listen what the examiner wants you to do. Please give me some comments and let me know how you find this video, and let me know if you want to do any other videos into the topics into Blackburn Darwen area or any other topic. I will try to make that video for you. So until then, guys, take care of yourself. See ya.